welcome to the mix. And on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne, some was send come call you. Some know how you reaching at this. Yes, the other thing is that he is saying that, he don't like Gracie and Gracie don't like him. So, that make it even between the two of them. So go ahead and catch on to the video, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know when I post, and don't forget to comment. Yes, so it goes. Have a great day.
From the disabled boy's name. Sir, I see what you are doing. I see exactly what you are doing. You understand? I don't know who sent for you. I don't know who sent Carlia. But I would advise you, Look how you're gonna bust up Liberty Pan people now. Look how you're gonna make me bust up even more Liberty Pan people. I want me bust up the Liberty. More you come beat me. Me why you come beat me. More you come get your belt and beat me. You understand? I am not afraid of you. None of you who's coming out of, I am not afraid of none of you. None of you's coming out in aid of Donna. I don't give two mama blood clot. You understand? I say if you understand. You understand? You understand? I don't understand. Which part? I say if you understand, I do understand, sir. Sir, you may a chat to sir. Sir over there, so sir over the fence, you may a chat to. You me a chat to. Today is the first me hear about you. Today is the first me hear about you. I don't know who you are. Annoyance, you are looking annoyance. Don't you realize who you are beating on your page for that? You beat me? You can't beat me. But I see have one video where your pop style pantina chinto and get 10K. Got 10K under your mama. Go and 10K under your mama. On a boss no. Jesus Christ. Mama take back that. Let me take that back. The devil is so strong. The devil is so strong. The devil's strong. People, the devil's strong enough. The devil's strong. Imagine today I was having such a peaceful day. When I realized, do you guys realize I never troubled nobody today? No, did I say nothing about nobody today? But my own thing and stick to myself today. I thought let me give it a little break today. And go back on it tomorrow if so be the case. If I find something I want to talk about, I'll talk about it tomorrow. But it's a good not man flex because you can't stand go style the No, darling, go and take it up with this man. You're gonna hear how this man is so disrespectful. And then again, Trisha, big up yourself. Then again, mighty God. I would have this. The devil strong. The devil strong. The devil strong. You see it? I don't want me to do a bust up liberty now. I don't want me to just bust up more liberty and more liberty and more liberty. Make me look like the bad person, though. Father God, take the case. Imagine, Una gonna try to take me. Hey, sir, I see what you're doing. You are trying to build yourself pandan. You is trying to build yourself pandana name using me. That is exactly what you are doing. Kudos to you. Kudos to you. Kudos to you. Go right ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. I wish you well. I wish you well. All I'm gonna say, I don't think anything I've said to her about her will beat the level to how other people go. So what I dirty man, why you never come out, come boss up Liberty for other people, but I mean want come boss up Liberty for your mama and your papa and your dirty family. Understand? I understand. I understand. But if you understand, you don't understand. Help me to understand. You understand? Listen. I see what is happening. People, I see what is happening. A lot of them are coming out of the woodworks. But when them should have come out of the woodworks, them never did I come out. But I mean them want to come have strength for wrong blood clot stop. Right, boss? Wrong stop. Not me, darling. Not me. Well, maybe if them would have come while 5-6 months ago, then yeah, would I give them that? Would I give them it then? And probably come out to come ball. Balling days are so done. So done. Imagine all of the time when Una should have come boss up Liberty Pan people. Una never did that boss up Liberty Pan people, but I moon want come boss up Liberty Pan. Go and tell the man, go and tell the man will come out, come cuss me for stop. And I see people shared him, so it reached to me. If people would have never shared him, it would have never reached to me. If people would have not been endorsing him, it would have never reached to me. Why? I don't know why I'm going to take it up with them. Why I don't want to come take it up with me? Why I don't want to come take it up with me?